Live from Nassau, Bahamas, we are here at the Queen Staircase. Will I be able to make it all the way to the top of the Queen Staircase? I was definitely saved with a family of 5, saving me from the rain as it did start coming down quite hard. Some friends here from the Florida area also saying hi. And of course we have some mini junior Dr. Fluffies as well saying hi as well. Let's take it away and get the rest of the information. We are here at the Queen Staircase. Here at the Queen Staircase, we'll be able to actually walk through here, and I'll put some miniature information, some text about the Queen Staircase, but this is definitely one of the main spots where you want to go. So right out of the port, and when you come out of the actual port, basically you could walk it definitely. I'd say about maybe 10-15 minutes. Everything's 10-15 minutes, but here you'll be able to actually take everything in. I would say about maybe 20-minute walk depending on your footwear and all that other good stuff. Now I believe, I'm just gonna say, actually I'm not gonna give you any information about this staircase, but what I will say is that it is a remarkable site built for a number of different reasons, in which there's a narrative for this staircase itself. I believe it's possible, and I could be wrong, that it may have been built to actually hide, to actually get out of harm's way within the actual war. I believe also there may have been a history of slaves escaping as well through the Queen Staircase, in which it cuts all the way deep, in which we can zoom in and you can see the narrow passageway to actually escape. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Good. All right, so we'll continue and watch our way. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. Hey. Now, I don't recall the water there as well. All right, so we're gonna have to work our way up. Hey, how are you? All right. Oh, here we go. All right, so it looks like we do have the official narrative. The Queen Staircase, named for Queen Victoria, who became Queen of the United Kingdom in 1837. The Queen Staircase was chiseled from solid limestone circa 1830s by free men of African descent, also known as the 66 Steps. The staircase was built in the remains of a stone quarry and stands at 31 meters tall. The steps serve as public access between Fort Fincastle and the city of Nassau. Over time, indiscriminate paving has reduced the number of steps to 64. This iconic site only serves as a physical connection between the fort community and the city, but also as a powerful reminder of the island's past. Today, the Queen Staircase stands as a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of resilience, highlighting the enduring spirit of the Bahamian people. Voila. All right, so here we are. Look at that. So we have the official narrative of the staircase. We are here live at Nassau, Bahamas at the Queen Staircase, in which we have 4 locals from the Tampa Bay area representing. What ship did you come out of? Oh, look at that. So they're on our ship. Did you see me on the ship? So they are on the same ship. Look at that. Would you like to shout anyone out, ladies?
Ava, Zuri, and Nora.
Hey, did you say Ezri and Nora?
Ava,
Zuri, and Nora. Anyone else, as it's raining on my cotton, polyester, and silk?
Shout out to Juan, Maribel, and Harold.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ladies, anyone else before I get out of your hair?
Shout out to Kim. Yeah, we're here.
And of course, we cannot forget Kim. Where is Kim?
She's swimming with the pigs. But
She's swimming with the pigs. Wow. Nice. Will get me out of it. We are live here under the umbrella, hoping that the camera stays alive. We have a family of 5. It's possible with someone. There they are. There. Any shout outs to anyone?
Shout out to Jersey and Florida.
Jersey and Florida. Book 'em.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Look at that.
Shout out to my mom. It's her 50th
And to the mom. Look at that. The seconds are rolling. The rain is coming down. I'm going to get out of your hair. All right, we got the rain coming down. Let's see if we can actually get up with the rain dropping, and then we'll try to head back. Cotton, polyester, and silk is not a good mix at all. But we're still recording. Rain's dropping. This is exactly how it is. Sometimes the weather is nice, sometimes it's not. It's gonna be really interesting to see exactly how we make it out of all of this rain. Queen Staircase, Nassau, Bahamas. Almost up, 66 steps, but down to 64 on the Queen Staircase here in Nassau, Bahamas. Oh, we made it. We made it, everyone. Queen Staircase, Nassau, Bahamas.